Welcome to Cross City Roofing. This is an introduction presentation to our UTE setup. Part 2. A circular saw, a recuperator saw. A light torch, a grinder. Always equip the grinder with a diamond-coated circular metal blade, which is used for cutting concrete, terracotta tiles and bricks. There is another blade, which we occasionally use for cutting metal. It is made of fiberglass. It is very thin and fragile. Therefore, after using it, always remove it and replace it back with the diamond-coated metal blade. Leaving it on the grinder will most often break it. While it's stored, here is an example how easily it breaks. Another container, this time with flashings. Here we always have a roll of thin alka flashing, a pure aluminium flashing coated with a powdery bitumen layer. Keep in mind that nothing sticks to this flashing, including silicone. A roll of thick, narrow aluminium 0.7 mm flashing. Another wider roll of the same flashing. These two flashings can save the day, when doing a make-safe or during a roof repair, when short on flashings. A roll of Wackerflex. A rope with a harness. Keep the WD-40 spray in the UTE. Have business cards handy, if someone asks for it, otherwise public can just take a photo of the UTE's toolboxes with our details. Always keep a spray bottle with rubbing alcohol and 2 to 3 flexible trowels in the UTE. Every UTE is equipped with a rubber strap fixed to the toolbox's ceiling. On that strap we always keep 2 rolls of masking tape and 2 rolls of duct tape. There are other hooks, which you can use, as deemed necessary. Always keep a full bucket of red, 1010, and black, 1061, Flexipant cement in the UTE. In addition, always keep half a bucket of cement and a bag of sand. Keep a bucket of this sealant. This is fiber-reinforced sealant, ideal for a patch-up or band-aid during a make-safe, when we execute a work order, do and charge, temporary repair. In addition, keep 3 colors of weather shield, classic cream, surf mist and paper bark, as these are most popular colors. Always have the prep coat primer handy. We use these vice grips to elevate roof sheets and flashings up on the roof. Always make sure you have 2 blue straps connected to it, as one strap failed us, materials fell onto the ground, on 2 occasions. If you find yourself overstocked, too many, of any items, such as these wire brushes, return excess back in the office for others to use, and keep 2 to 3 in the UTE for yourself. Sometimes 2 teams join to carry out one job. It is easy to mix tools, during a combined work. Therefore, if you ended up with 3 drill guns, for example, ask others, as they're most likely missing a drill gun of their own. Return the guns so all UTEs always have the tools they need. Roofing is a great profession, and can be a lot of fun, when things are organized and efficient. This is the end of this presentation. Thank you for watching. Have a great day ahead.